please. Today we are multiplying a decimal by a whole number. This is section 3.2 and it's page 114 in your math textbook. So there's three simple steps to multiplying a decimal by a whole number. Step 1. Multiply as you would with whole numbers.
I need the top one.
Yes, okay.
What page number is it?
It's page 114. Step 2. Count the number of decimal places in the problem. George, you're taking great math notes today. You're on a roll. And the final third step is place the decimal. So the product, what's the product? The answer, correct, has the same number of decimal places. So I'll let you guys catch up on the notes before we do a few examples. Eyes on me when you have your notes completed. So we just got done talking about estimating numbers. So if I have 2.1 times 3, what would 2.1 estimate to? Anna? 2. What's 2 times 3? Fatima? 6. So when I multiply my answer, I want to get something along the lines of 6. So now let's follow our steps. 2.1 times 3. If we look in our steps, where's my decimal point going to go? Stephanie?
Well, if you look up to number 2 in the steps, it says count the number of decimal places in the problem.
Okay, so how many decimal places is in the problem?
1.
1. So how many times over am I going to move the decimal point in the product?
1.
And where does my decimal start at the end of the product? Where does it start?
At the 1.
At the 3, right?
Yeah, at 3.
And so we're going to move it 1 over.
I was looking at the
It's okay.
1.
So our answer is 6.3. Is 6.3 close to 6? Yes. Fatima?
Question.
Yeah.
Where, like, which would be for decimal?
The decimal is going this way, so to your left. The decimal always starts at the end. See where I started it right here? And we moved it 1 place value over.
So
Okay.
2.3? Well, I mean
6.3? Yes. Let's do another one together. So remember what we're going to do first is we're going to about estimate it. So we know what our answer is going to be close to, okay? 24.3 times 7. What's 24.3 estimate to, Stephanie?
24.
24. What's 24 times 7? That's a big one. Who can do it? Stephanie?
Okay, so 7 times 4 equals 28. And
Perfect.
then 7 times 2 equals 14. Plus 2 equals 16. 168.
168. I love how you use those critical thinking skills to solve that problem. 24 times 7 is 168. So we know our answer is going to be very close to 168 when we multiply it out. So let's multiply it out together. 24.3 times 7. Would somebody like to solve that? Fatima?
3 times 7 is 21.
Uh-huh. Carry the 2.
And then 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2, 30.
Carry the 3.
And then 2 times 7 is 14 plus 3, 16,
Oh, try again. Close.
17.
17.
Wait, I have a question though.
Okay.
So when we're like multiplying them or adding them, we don't drop the decimal down?
Nope, we're not dropping the decimal down till the end. We're not putting the decimal in the product till the end. So where, Fatima, where did we say earlier was our decimal before
Was
we?
at the end.
At the end. And how many places are we going to move it over? 1. Because in the problem, it's 1 place value over. So we need to move it over in the product 1 place value.
So they 170.1.
Perfect. Our answer is 170.1. Should we do another? Yes! All right. Thank you, Drew. What's 5.9 times 11 estimate to, Melinda? 6 times 11, which is 66. So we know our answer is going to be around 66. Who would like to solve this one with me? George, you want to solve it with me? All right. 9 times 1 is? 9. 5 times 1 is? 5. We need a placeholder, right? Uh-huh. 9 times 1 is? 5 times 1 is? 5. Now what do we do? Add. 9 plus 0? 9. 5 plus 9? 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is? 6. Who can tell me where my decimal point goes? Somebody new, somebody new. Cassie, where's my decimal point go? In front of the 9. We're moving 1 place value over. Yes, Tina.
When we move like two place values over, if the number after the decimal when we're multiplying it was like 2, like it was like
2 places over? Yes, you would. We're going to do one of those shortly. All right, so I have to turn to my next page. If you still have room, keep going on your page. That means 3.2 continued, so I'm just on my next page. If we estimate 19.6 times 2, what's 19.6 round to? Drew, you want to know? What is 19.6 round to? 20. What's 20 times 2?
40.
40. So Drew, we know our answer is going to be somewhere around 40, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's solve it.
Okay.
Who would like to solve with me? Drew, you want to solve with me?
Yeah.
All right. What's 6 times 2?
12.
12. Put the 2, carry the 1. What's 9 times 2? 18. Plus 1 is 19. Carry the 1. 1 times 2.
2.
Plus
3.
plus 1 is 3. Fatima, how many place values is our decimal point over? 1. So what's our answer going to be?
39.2.
39.2. Is 39.2 close to 40?
Yes.
Yes. Guys want to do another? Yeah! All right. This isn't so bad, is it?
What if the number, like after you multiply, is not close to the estimated number?
You did something wrong.
Exactly, we did something wrong. That's why we can estimate it, so we know what we're looking for exactly in our answer. We want to get it close. Anna, would you like to try to do one with me? All right, what does 12.3 round to? Approximately. 12. What's 12 times 8? You want to ask somebody to help you out?
You want to sign?
96. So we're going to look somewhere around 96. Anna, would you like to continue and help me solve? All right. What's 3 times 8? 24. What's 2 times 8? 16 plus 2 is 18, carry the 1. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Fatima, how many place values is my decimal point over?
1.
1. So who wants to give me my answer? Cassie.
98 and 0.4.
98.4. Is 98.4 close to 96?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty close. You don't have to estimate it each time. You don't have to do this. But if you want to check your work, it's a great tool to do, okay? Yes, Stephanie?
Okay. On like the top one,
On the top one.
yeah, on the
Take-
top one, we thought it was gonna be like near 40, and it was 39.2. But when you round 39.2 to the nearest other number, it's 39.
It's 39. You are exactly right. 39.2 rounds to 39. But if you rounded to the tens, what would that round to?
40.
40. So it's pretty close to 40.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're off by 25 numbers, you've got a problem. But if you're about 10 numbers, you're pretty good. Yes?
Decimal points are like under the floor.
Show me.
On the last part, yes.
Okay. Your decimal point starts at the end of the product, correct? We know that our decimal point moved over 1. So I just showed you that I started at the end of the product and moved over one place value. Should we do another one?
Yeah.
Okay.